Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a new template. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to create a new template here on Shopify, well, this one's quite easy. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to shopify.com, access your account, and you want to go ahead and click on Online Store. Now, you want to go to Teams, and under Teams, you want to go ahead and click on Edit Theme. Now, from here, you want to go to the very top here, and you should be able to see your current page. Now, you want to go and just go to the section where you want to add or create your, let's just say your template here. Let's go and click on products as an example. And let's go and click on create template. Now, from here, you can go and just add whatever name that you want to say here. So let's just say it's going to be a test product temp. Now, obviously, you could go and just use every other name or whatever name you would want to use in here. Now, you can go and choose your default template here. What's going to be based on. So basically, what's the whatever the design on the default product here. So whatever template this is or whatever design it is, this will or our new template would copy that first. Let's go and click on create template. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to see your new template here. And if you go to products, you should be able to see your test product template here. As you can see right now, this is just what we just created. Now, from here, you want to go and just go back into Shopify, and you want to go ahead and go to your pages. And let's give you some example, just some idea here. That's going to click on add page. And let's go and just say this is going to be a test page, and you can go and just choose the template that you want to use in here, either default page or contact here. So depends on what available page is available right now. So obviously it depends on what you created right now. Now, just give you some idea here, depending on where you create or where you actually created your template, those templates will be available in certain pages. Like, for example, if you create a template via the pages section, this is how you change your template. But since we created a template via the products page, well, in this case, you want to go to products, just access the product page here or the actual product. And at the very bottom, you should be able to see the test product temp here. And that should use a template that we just recently created. Again, depending on where you create your template, it is available on different sections in your Shopify page or Shopify store here. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.